Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot LAGENIO Rhino 1 Pro. Okay, the thing is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power key and volume up. Simply click both keys at the same time, just like that. And now we have the restart function. We just gotta tap on that, now our device will be turned off. And after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and our device will be ready to use. Also, I would say that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests for a moment. Also, it can help with its performance. Or if you have some issues with your apps, I mean they are lagging and they don't want to launch, that's the moment when you can try to reboot your device and everything should be okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.